I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 8. That is the verb mood. So let's begin with this lesson. You know what is a mood? The manner in which a verb is reacting in a verb is used to express an action is known as mood. So let's begin. A verb is an action word. Verb क्या होता है? एक action word होता है. Each sentence has a verb. हर sentence में verb होता है. Different actions are explained by verbs in different manners. So different actions use होते हैं verb में different manners में. So read the following examples. A verb may express a statement और a question. जो एक verb होता है कि express करता है एक statement या फिर question को express करता है. Like I take lunch in the afternoon. ये क्या एक आपकी statement है. I do not like to play in the street. ये क्या हुई verb होगी और ये आपकी क्या होगी statement हो गई. Who came to me? ये क्या हो गया आपका question हो गया. Now a verb may express a command or request or advice. एक verb को express होती है command, request या फिर advice को भी express करती है. Right? Get out of my room. Or please give me some money. ये request है. Obey your teacher. This is the advice. Now a verb may express a wish, purpose or condition. एक verb क्या करती है express करती है wish को, purpose को या फिर conditions को. Like may God bless you. Wish है work hard lest you should fail. ये क्या है purpose है. If मतलब आपको work hard करना नहीं तो फेल हो जाओगे. If he had worked hard, he would have passed. ये क्या हो गई condition हो गई. In the above exam, the verb expresses action in its own suitable manner. यहाँ पे क्या है verb अपने एक suitable manner में express कर रही है exam उसको action को. So a verb has 3 moods. Verb के कितने moods होते हैं? 3 moods होते हैं. The indicative mood, the imperative mood and the subjunctive mood. So indicative mood क्या होता है? A verb is in the indicative mood when a simple statement, a question or a possible supposition is expressed. एक verb indicative mood में कब होता है? जब एक simple question, एक question या फिर possible supposition express करता है. Like to express a simple statement, एक simple statement को express करने के लिए Priya is a beautiful girl. Our school starts at 8 a.m. Ravi is not well today. Next is to express a question, एक question को express करने के लिए. Like where is your house? Have you done your homework? Is Priya your sister? To express a possible supposition, एक possible supposition को express करने के लिए. If it rains, I shall stay inside. If he is guilty, he must be punished. If I pray, I shall try my best to wait. So here, these were the first mood, the indicative mood. The mood is the manner in which a verb is used to express an action. It's called the mood. Let's begin. Let's move to the next page. Here, the imperative mood. A verb is in the imperative mood when a command, a prayer, a request or advice. एक verb imperative mood में कब होती है? जब एक command, एक prayer, एक request, advice express करते हैं. The imperative mood is used only in present tense and second person. ये कब use होती है? Present tense में या फिर second person में use करते हैं. To express action that are urgent and obligatory. जो actions के आपके urgent है और obligatory है. This mood is used to express a command. ये mood किससे use होता है? एक command को express करने के लिए. Do not come here again. Clean the room right now. Get out and don't come back. So to express a prayer or request किसलिए use होता है? Imperative mood express करने के लिए prayer और request को. Give me strength, oh God. Have a pity on this poor man, sir. Give me a glass of water, please. To give an advice देने के लिए use होता है. Never pluck flowers in the garden. Do your work in time. Do not go out in the afternoon. It's too hot. To express a proposal को express करने के लिए use होता है. Let us go to the park. Let us sit in the shade. Let us go for a walk. Now, the subjunctive mood. The third one is the subjunctive mood. A verb in a subjunctive mood when it is used to express a wish. एक wish express करने के लिए use होती है purpose or condition. Like this mood is used to express a wish, like a wish I were a king. I wish it would stop raining. God be with you. ये क्या आपकी wish हो गई. Next हो गया purpose. She ran fast so that she might not be late. What a भाई रसूल late now purpose था उसका. I kept the necklace here lest you should lose it. Mind that you may not be treated. Now the third is to express unreal similarity को express करने के लिए like she talks as if she were crazy. देखो ऐसे बात करते हैं वो crazy है. She behaves as if he were a millionaire. He walked as he had been drunk. ठीक है एक अनरियल सिमिलैरिटी है कि जो आप करते हो कल वो आप खो देंगे. Now the subjunctive mood is used keeping wishes and in speculating unreal situations. Unreal situations में use होती है as in condition sentences and afterward that it's requirement what the requirements or economizations express करते हैं. The present is a subjunctive is the same as the base form. The present subjunctive होता है same the base form की तरह. So the subjunctive of the word be is be. For example, I recommended that she be invited to join the club. In other verbs, the only difference from the indicative form is that there is no s. इसमें कोई s नहीं होता. Third person singular में like God keep us safe. Exclamation mark. The past subjunctive of verb be is were. तो बी past subjunctive verb of be होता है वो verb होता है like if I were rich I had buy a helicopter. The past subjunctive is the form used in wishes. ये किसमें use होता है wishes में speculations में about the present. So that's all for this verb and the mood. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all right explanation on this lesson. See you in the next class.